What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do a backflip step by step for kids. It works for anybody, but that's just the title of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And also if you like this kind of video, let me know. I'm going to try something different with a voiceover. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. God bless. Basically, I like to swing my arms down and then go into almost a 90-degree angle with my legs. See how my from my ankles up to my knees, up to the side to my hips, it's about 90 degrees. I like to stay like that. I like to swing my arms down really fast and then go to about 90 degrees. And then swing your arms up as fast as you can, as you're going to see in a second. So swing your arms up as fast as you possibly can. As you can see, I'm on my toes. With everything I have, I'm swinging my arms straight up. And don't throw your head back too much, just swing your arms as fast as you can. And also, you know, with everything you have, like all the way to the tips of your toes, just swing up and fire up. This is what's gonna get you around. This is what's gonna help you to do the backflip. All right, so make sure you swing your arms like crazy. So what you want to do is tuck like crazy. The next step is just tuck like crazy. All right, the tighter you tuck, the faster you're gonna spin and the easier it is gonna be to land. So just tuck your knees into your chest just like I am right now, and be sure to just hold that tuck and as long as you can. And then once you spot your landing, you're gonna see how my head is looking straight at the ground. I just close my eyes throughout the entire flip, but for those of you who want to open your eyes, just open your eyes and then untuck as soon as you spot your landing, and then prepare for landing. So the next step is landing. So as you can see with my landing, my butt is pushed back and my knees aren't like really far forward. This is not the best landing, but when you land, make sure your hips land back in like you're sitting down in a chair versus just your knees going out. This is not the best example. This is kind of an example where my knees are kind of pushed forward and my hips aren't as far back, but it's still far back, which that'll prevent knee injuries, and that'll prevent you from hurting your knees, and you know, the landing not to hurt on a backflip. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried something different. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to do a backflip step by step for kids or adults or teenagers, whatever it is. But the title is how to do a backflip step by step for kids. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. Click the link in the description for my story. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried something different, like I said, so let me know if you like this kind of video. If you do, I'll make more of them. Thank you so much, and God bless.